What's up folks, I'm A-Bomb and today we're going to take a look at this digital microscope with 1,000 times zoom. Guess where I picked this up? I picked it up off Amazon and the link is in the description below if you want to grab one for yourself. There is no denying that this guy is getting older, and the older I get, the worse these eyes get. So I picked up this digital microscope off Amazon to have some fun with and to see if it could help me read the fine print in all those contracts I just signed. To start out with, you will need to download the MaxT app in the App Store. The app works both for iOS and Android, so you shouldn't have any problem downloading it and setting her up. Once you open the app and connect it to the microscope via its Wi-Fi signal, you will begin your journey of looking at things with 1,000 times zoom. The digital microscope can be accessed through the app, but it also comes with a USB cable which you can hook up directly to your computer. The microscope is also recharged via the same USB port. The instruction booklet says it should take about 3 to 5 hours to recharge the battery, and the battery life is about 3 hours long. So at least you don't have to worry about stealing those AA's from the TV remote. The digital microscope wirelessly streams live footage to over 33 feet away while magnifying objects with 50 to 1,000 times magnification zoom. There are 8 LED lights that provide an excellent light source and allow you to get just the right amount of light with an LED adjustment wheel on the back. The microscope streams live through the app, and there you can capture a photo or video edit using the MaxT app, and that's pretty cool. I love that the digital microscope comes with a nice sturdy metal base. It doesn't seem cheaply made at all, and the plastic on the microscope itself is actually pretty nice. There's an adjustable bar on the actual microscope that helps you to zoom into whatever you are looking at, and that's awesome. The enlarge and narrow buttons allow me to hone the picture in of what I was looking at to an even better picture resolution. I think given the reasonable price of the digital microscope and the fact that once I started looking at things, it took me forever to stop. I looked at a coin, some leaves that I had in the backyard, a stamp, even a necklace pendant that I've had for a while. It was super cool to see those things up close and with 1,000 times zoom. It made me feel like a crime scene investigator in a CSI TV show. The microscope would be a great gift for a kid, as well as a great gateway device into looking at the world around us in like a completely different way. Now I gotta go find those contracts with the fine print that I never read. Well, that'll do it for this review. Please like this video if you liked it. Also, don't forget to subscribe. We don't want you to miss any of our upcoming reviews. Also, just for fun, go and check out the eye massager review I did recently. That was super relaxing. I'm A-Bomb, thanks for watching.